Good morning, math class. Today we're going to be talking about division. Throughout the year, you've learned all the other operations, multiple digit, subtraction, addition, multiplication. So now we're on long division. So let's start by going over some key terms, vocabulary words, terminology that you need to know to execute long division. The quotient is going to be the answer to your division problem. The dividend is a number to be divided by another number. The divisor is going to be a number by which the other number is to be divided by. Okay, so let's give an example of that and see if you can identify what is the quotient, dividend, and divisor in a given problem. So 54 divided by 9. The dividend, a number to be divided by another number. So which one do you think the dividend is? 54. If you guessed 54, then you guessed right. All right, good job. So next we have the divisor is going to be 54 divided by 9. So whatever the dividend is divided by is going to be the divisor. And last but not least, if you remember the third term was the quotient. So those are the three terms we need to remember. Okay, so let's get started by giving an example problem of a long division problem without a remainder. This will be one without a remainder. The answer will go into the dividend evenly. So let's have 91 divided by 7. You're going to start by looking at the tens place. How many times does a divisor go into that value that's in the tens place? Okay, how many times does 7 go into 9? 1 time. 1 times 7 is 7. You're going to subtract 7 by 9. Bring down the 1. How many times does that divisor go into 21, the number you brought down now? 3. Great. It goes in evenly, so no remainder. Circle your answer. Good job. Okay? So next, make sure you're writing this down on a scratch piece of paper. We're going to give another example of a long division problem with a remainder. So let's have 43 divided by 5. How many times is 5? Let's look at the first number, the 10 spot. How many times is 5 going to 4? It cannot, because 4 is smaller. So we're going to just put a 0. How many times can 5 go into 40 then? Okay, you can refer to your multiplication chart. 8 times 5 is 40. Subtract that with 3 as our remainder. 8 remainder 3 is your answer. Go ahead and circle that. Okay, you can go ahead and get started on your assignment and practice this skill, and we'll see you again tomorrow.